Hello friends, welcome back to our Only For You YouTube channel. Today we will talk about Kangana Sharma, an Indian actress, model and social media personality. In this video, you will know her age, height, career and life journey. So let's begin. Kangana Sharma was born on 3 April 1989 in Haryana, India. Age of 2025. She is 36 years old. Kangana Sharma is around 5 feet 5 inches tall and weighs approximately 55 kilograms. She has brown eyes and brown hair, which adds to her screen presence. Kangana started her career as a model working in print shoots and fashion projects. She made her Bollywood debut in 2016 with the movie Great Grandmasti. She also gained popularity through web series and music videos, which helped her build a strong fan base. Apart from acting, Kangana is very active on social media, where she shares fashion, lifestyle and travel content. She is known as a popular digital influencer today. So, this was the short biography of Kangana Sharma. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe to our channel. Comment below and tell us which celebrity you want next.